One Twitter user, we solicited questions from our viewers on social media, wrote, in your opinion, what is the best thing that can be done to reduce poverty on a global scale?
Well, at the Gates Foundation, we think that health is probably the number one thing. I mean, if you aren't healthy and you don't have access to vaccines and other aids to better health, you really don't have anything going for you. So I think that if you're talking about global, I think that development and distribution of vaccines, we're trying to wipe out polio now, but take malaria, whatever it may be. You want a healthier world first.
Is there one thing you think, one piece of technology that you think is making and will make the biggest change? Melinda Gates, for example, told me that the smartphone, for example, is completely changing the game.
I don't know if
on that front.
If you're trying to live on $1 a day or $2 a day, and or if you got 2 acres of land to support your family, or I'm not sure what a smartphone's necessarily going to do for you, but I think my son works on increasing agricultural productivity around the world. That could be a tremendous help to people. I mean, if they've got small amounts of land and you can make it more productive, they're going to live better. Nothing there is going to be accomplished overnight or in a year or 5 years.
You've pledged almost all of your wealth to philanthropy.
Right, 99% plus.
And a lot of other billionaires have joined in that with you.
A lot.
What global issues can be solved through philanthropy? Not just relying on, the marketplace or capitalism. What issues can we solve through philanthropy?
Well, we won't solve anything in the ultimate. I mean, we're never going to get 7 billion people, have them all educated as well as we'd like or all as healthy as we'd like. But things can be done in a major way in terms of health, in terms of family planning, in terms of education, and you try to figure out, if you really believe that every life is of equal value, every human life is of equal value, that means a different thing in some impoverished nation than it means in the United States, and you simply try to improve the lot of humans wherever they may be, just like your own children.